सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एसके ट्यूटोरियल चैनल को और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए लेटेस्ट मोर एजुकेशनल वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए। Hello friends, this is Saurabh and in this video we will study chapter 3 building material. In this chapter have a first topic is plastering. In this video we will also read object of plastering, requirements of a good plasters, types of mortar for plastering, types of plaster finishes. Then I have requested to those friends first time come to on SK tutorial channel, please subscribe now this channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Let's start now. As you know, in this video we will study chapter 3 building materials. Before study this chapter we will try to understand what is building materials, what is the importance of building materials and more questions. Then start now. Building constructions is a traditional science which deals with the modern method of sound constructions incorporating appropriate use of materials, sufficient strength and permanence, maximum utility and good proportions and grace. The building design has traditionally been the responsibility of the architects, through the building constructions has the responsibility to the civil engineers. However, the structural design of a buildings is the responsibility of the civil engineer. Man requires different types of buildings for his activities: house, bungalows and flats for his livings, hospitals and health centers for his health, schools, colleges and university for his education, banks, shops, offices, buildings and factories for doing work, railways buildings, bus stations and air terminals for transportations, clubs, theaters and cinema, houses for recreations and temples, mosque, churches and dharmsala etc. for worship. Each type of the above buildings has its own requirements. The above buildings activities are an important indicator of the country's social progress. This was the introduction of building materials, and now I will study plastering. First of all, we want to know what is plastering. What is the process of plastering? So this is a simple definition. Plastering is the process of covering rough surfaces to walls, columns, ceilings and other buildings components with a thin coat of plastic mortars to form a smooth durable surface. The coating of plastic materials, that is mortar, is termed as plaster. Plastering on external exposed surface is known as rendering. This is the very easy and simple language definitions of plastering. Now we will study objects of plastering. Please listen some points of objects of plastering. First point is to protect the external surfaces against penetration of rainwater and other atmospheric agencies. And the second is to give a smooth surface in which dust and dirt cannot lodge. Third is to give a decorative effect. Fourth is to protect surfaces against vermin. Fourth is to conceal inferior materials or defective workmanship. Now we will study requirements of a good plaster. Then first point is it should adhere to background and should remain adhered during all variations in seasons and other atmospheric conditions. Second point is it should be hard and durable. Third is it should process good workability. Fourth is it should be possible to apply it during all weather conditions. Fourth is it should be cheap. Or fifth is it should effectively check penetrations of moisture. Hence this is the requirements of a good plaster. Now we will study types of mortar for plastering. The selection of types of plaster depends upon the following factors. First is availability of binding materials. Second, durability requirements. Third, finishing requirements. And fourth, atmospheric conditions and variations in weather. Fourth, locations of surface, that is exposed or interior surface. Following types of mortars are used for plastering. First is lime mortars. Second, cement mortars. And third, lime cement mortar. Now we will try to know about types of plaster finishes. Plastered surface may be finished in the following varieties. Then first is smooth cast finish. Second is sand faced finish. Third, rough cast finish or spatter dash finish. Fourth is pebble dash or dry dash finish. Fifth is debtor finish. Sixth, scrapped finish. Or seventh, textured finish. Now today's this video is completed these topics. Next topic will be finished flooring, and next videos will be studies finished flooring classification according to the materials, and cement concrete flooring advantages, disadvantages, defects in cement concrete, etc. topics will be discussed in the next videos. If you have any questions or queries for this video related, you can write in comment box. I will reply your comments in 24 hours. Thanks for watching this video and see you soon next videos.